you?
She makes me sound as if I can sound as good as her. She makes me feel actually. She's so good.
Binibenta mo
I don't
naman
know.
ako.
Yeah. But coming from my heart, thank you.
Maybe I would meet somebody here tonight.
Yes. Any singles? Josie single.
I'm single.
Single?
Meron ba? I'm bartender din.
Kahit may mga asawa, parang natatakot, Josie. They're just like,
Oo, parang ano.
sana mali sa yung asawa ko. And they would raise their hands.
I know, we'll share the bartender.
Oh, the bartender! Yes. Yeah, Josie. It's a joke, my friend. We have to acknowledge also actually the man behind for making my voice sound good, Warren.
Warren. Yes. Warren.
Warren, thank you. So sing along with us. We're singing this Tagalog song. It's a Tagalog. Josie Leon. Halika na, ikilimutin ang problema. Hihintayin ang umaga. Join us. Basta tayo'y magkasama.